This is the tutorial on how to run the video chapters extractor. After you've downloaded the file and extracted it, there will be two files, .pck and the application file. You can run the application file and the application will pop up. Now you can drag and drop the video file onto this application like so, where it will extract the chapters of the video like so. Now, it is unnamed because OBS doesn't name them. And if there aren't any chapters, this will happen. This will happen if you don't have FF Probe installed, or that the video doesn't have any chapters, or the video is not a video file. Now, to export the extracted chapters, you can go and press the save button and save the text file. As you can see, it is saved. And now you can start KDE Live and import that chapter text file into it. You can import the exported chapter video file by going to View, Guides, select your sequence or timeline, and click on this 3-line button in this burger menu and click Import. Change the files of type to plain text document and import the exported text file. And there you have it. The chapters have been imported. Now, here's a tip. You can turn off the guides lock so the guides move while you cut the video, like this. That's it for this tutorial. Goodbye and have a good day.